solid sphere of radius 10.5 cm is melted and recast into smaller solid cones, each of radius 3.5 cm and height 3 cm. Find the number of cones so formed. So in this question, we have to understand the logic that the volume will remain constant. So we just have to find the volume of the bigger thing, that is the solid sphere. So we find the volume of bigger thing and then divide it by the volume of smaller thing. Then we will have the number of cones so formed. So that is the logic behind this question. Coming to the next slide, here we find the radius of sphere is 10.5 centimeter. So the volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. That is there is no minus here. So the volume of sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and doing the calculation, uh, you can get the expression. You don't have to necessarily take out the calculation, do the calculation and take out the exact value, because we will be doing the calculation later on, and we just have to find the number of cones. So in the next step, height of cone is given 3 centimeter and radius is 3.5 centimeters. So the volume of smaller cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is the formula, you should remember it. So the V2 here is 1 by 3 pi r square into this 3. So the unit is centimeter cube. You have to remember it. So in the next step, we see that n into volume of each smaller cone is volume of sphere. So this is the logic behind it. When we multiply the number of cones which are formed into the volume of each smaller cone, we will get the volume of sphere. So we just have to put the values here and take out the value of n. So there will be a lot of cutting here and there, so see accordingly. And doing the calculation, we will have the n is equal to 126.